Hello kids! Our subject for today is English 2, Quarter 4, and we are now on week 7. Our topic is about reading short vowel sounds in phrases, sentences, and stories. Are you ready now? Okay. Reading short vowel sounds in phrases, sentences, and stories is one of the techniques that builds fluency, aids comprehension, and improves oral reading skills. Our objective for this lesson is you are expected to read phrases, sentences, and short stories with short vowel sounds and answer who, what, and where questions. Let us read the following phrases and sentences with short vowel sounds. For phrases, big hen, vet and cat, has a hat. Notice the letters or the underlined letters I, E, and A. For sentences, the dog can wag his tail. The map is on the map. The man has a big bun. What are the underlined letters? Very good. Letters O, A, I, and U. Let us try this learning task number 1. Read the following phrases, then answer the questions. Write the letter of your answers in your notebook. Number 1. Tag on a bag. What is on the bag? A. The tag. B. The rag. C. The mug. The answer is letter A, the tag. Number 2. A fat man. Who is fat? A. The vet. B. The man. C. The lad. The answer is letter B, the man. Number 3. Dan and Pam ate the jam and the ham. Who ate the jam and ham? A. Pam and Sam. B. Dan and Pam. C. Ram and Sam. The answer is letter B, Dan and Pam. Number 4. Bad cat ran after the cat. Who ran after the rat? A. The rat. B. Bandaram. C. Bad cat. The answer is letter C, bad cat. Number 5. Sam said, the fan is in the pan. What is in the pan? A. Ham. B. Jam. C. Fun. The answer is letter C, fun. Learning task number 2. Read the sentences and answer the questions. Write your answers in your notebook. Number 1. Cat eats rice and fish. Who eats rice and fish? Answer. Cat eats rice and fish. Number 2. The ham is in the pan. What is in the pan? The answer is the ham is in the pan. Number 3. The man is in the van. Where is the man? The answer is the man is in the van. Number 4. The rat is inside the hat. What is in the hat? The rat is inside the hat. And number 5. The rug in the bag. What is in the bag? The answer is the rug is in the bag. Phrase. What do we mean by phrase. A phrase is a group of words without complete thought. Let us read the sample phrases below. In the mud. For my cat. From the sun. On the mat. Sentence. What do we mean by a sentence? A sentence is a group of words with a complete thought. It begins with a capital letter and ends with a period. Let us read the sentences below. The cat sleeps in the mat. I have a hat and a cap. Ben has 10 pens. Story. What do we mean by a story? A story tells a single event or experience that helps you develop your vocabulary and comprehension skills. Let us read the story below that contains short vowel sounds. The title of the story is A Polite Dog. My dog Bob is a polite dog. It always follows my orders. When I say sit, it sits. When I say jump, it jumps. One day, I asked Bob to look after the food on the table as I go to the store. It guarded the food to make sure that no one comes near it. As I returned, Bob was still there, guarding the food. I am very happy to have a very obedient dog. Learning task number 3. Read each sentence. Answer the questions. Write your answers in your notebook. Number 1. The fan is on the bed. What is on the bed? The answer, the fan is on the bed. Number 2. Dan has a pet hen. What is his pet? Dan has a pet hen. Number 3. The man is on the farm. Where is the man? The answer is, the man is on the farm. Number 4. The fish is in the net. What is in the net? The answer is, the fish is in the net. Number 5. Sam is holding a pen. Who is holding a pen? Sam is holding a pen. Learning task number 4. Read the story, then answer the questions. Choose the letter of the correct answer. Write your answers in your notebook. In the farm. My family owns a big farm. One day, my cousins Pam and Nam came to the farm. Pam has a pet dog and Nam has a cat. The dog ran to the pen and chased the hen. The cat jumped to the drum and fell on the ground. Number 1. Who came to the farm? A. Pam. B. Nam. C. Pam and Nam. The answer is letter C. Pam and Nam. What did Pam and Nam have? A. Dog and duck. B. Dog and cat. C. Dog and rat. The answer is letter B. Dog and cat. Number 3. Where did the dog run? A. To the pen. B. In the dam. C. In the drum. The answer is letter A. To the pen. Learning task number 5. Read the story, then answer the questions. Write your answers in your notebook. Nan and Dan. Nan and Dan are brothers. Nan is 8 years old while Dan is 7 years old. They are studying in my Bunga Elementary School. Nan has a big bag while Dan has a small one. They ride a van with their father in going to school. Number 1. Who are brothers? A. Answer. Nan and Dan are brothers. Number 2. What is the size of Nan's bag? The answer is, Nan's bag is big. Number 3. What is the size of Dan's bag? The answer is, Dan's bag is small. Number 4. Where do they ride in going to school? Answer. They ride in a van. Number 5. Who rides with them in going to school? Answer. Father rides with them in going to school. Complete the paragraph by choosing your answer from the box. Write your answers in your notebook. The words are story, phrase, and sentence. Okay, let us read. A phrase is a group of words without complete thought, while a sentence is a group of words with complete thought. It starts with capital letter and ends with a period. A story tells events and experiences. It helps develop your vocabulary and comprehension skills. Okay, I hope you learned something from our lesson for today. Until next time, our reference is Pivot for A Learner's Material, English 2, Quarter 4, Week 7. Thank you for watching and God bless everyone.